In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a tax form from CoinTracker. Now, the first thing you must do is, of course, ensure your wallets or exchanges are correctly synced and reviewed. So you want to go to your Wallets tab over here and make sure you have the Sync All button up here and you want to click on it. And of course, make sure everything is in here, you've reviewed it, stuff like that. And then after you've done that, you want to go to your taxes. And inside taxes, you want to select the correct year, okay? So of course, whenever you select that here on the right-hand side, you'll be able to see it's going to say tax reports. So here it says tax forms. And whenever you basically have the upgraded plan, so it may require you to actually upgrade to a plan to be able to download this or to get this onto your computer, then you'll be able to see here under tax forms, you have the tax summary report, and you can go ahead and basically download it from here on the right-hand side, and this will allow you to then get it. Of course, if you have to basically upgrade, you may have to pay to actually be able to get this, like in my case over here, but yeah, that's essentially how to get it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.